Circulate Dollars is a currency specific to the Circulate MKE market, and with charitable contributions, we are able to engage youth and families who don't have the economic bandwidth to participate in buying in the market. So when we give this resource to them, not only are we spreading the word about entrepreneurship, but they also get a chance to engage and learn about products that might be more holistic, culturally relevant, and get connected with the community that exists right here in Milwaukee. You can reach out to us at circulatemke@gmail.com, and then we can work with you directly to get your donation to us. Right now, we have a current goal of raising $1,500 for the Black Friday market. And we're trying to get to $1,500. Where everybody is perfect to give. But if you are the beneficiary of a business and you're looking to donate some money, this would be a perfect cause, especially since it's contributing to inspiring entrepreneurship and developing the next generation of the workforce. But also, if you're somebody that has every intention of shopping local, but you don't have the time to show up, then you can send your dollars to us and we can put it in the hands of other people that can participate in shopping at the market.